digital learning coach for Burlington Public Schools, and in this training tutorial, you are going to learn how to sign into your Classlink account. Classlink is the new single sign-on platform that we will be using here in Burlington starting for the 2022-2023 school year. This will replace Clever as our single sign-on platform. So you will continue to sign in and access all of the apps that you need for teaching with your Google account, and your students will do the same thing. The reason we are switching from Clever to Classlink are several. First and foremost, we are going to be receiving outstanding customer support from Classlink. In the event we need anything, we have been working extensively with Classlink trainers, and they are ready to serve us and provide us with outstanding customer support every step of the way as we implement this new platform. Secondly, you are going to have an extreme amount of control over customizing your Classlink dashboard. So you as a teacher are going to be able to organize applications, you'll be able to tag them, and really customize the entire technology experience. And your students will be able to do the same thing. There is also the ability to track analytics, so you'll be able to examine how much time your students are spending on certain applications, and it's really going to provide the district with really targeted insight on how technology is being used, how often it's being used, and the impact that it is having on students and their learning. And lastly, it is aesthetically very well designed. You'll notice that it looks very much like the Apple App Store. I think our students are going to find the platform extremely intuitive, and I hope you will too. We are really confident that you're going to enjoy using Classlink, and this transition will be seamless for you. Myself, all of the other digital learning coaches here in the district are available to assist you, and we are really excited that we are going to have this access to this premier platform that is being used nationwide. So without further ado, you can see here I'm on the landing page of Classlink. So it's also called the launch pad, if you will. So you will have a specific URL. I'm going to share that URL in the video, and it's also bookmarked for you. So if you can notice here up on the top where it says BPS bookmarks, you will click down on that drop down and you're going to see Classlink. So thanks to Eric Calandrello, our systems admin here in the IT department, he has added this as a bookmark. So once you click on that, you're going to be brought to this landing page, as I mentioned, and it's very familiar. You're going to just simply click on Sign In with Google. And then from there, you're going to choose your school Google account. Now, you may be prompted to install a Chrome extension that Classlink needs to use. And if you do receive that prompt, you're going to click on Install Extension. As you can see here, that red arrow is pointing to what you will click first. Next, you are going to click the blue Add to Chrome button. Then you will click on Add Extension, and then you will see up at the top that Classlink one-click extension has been added to Chrome. But once you're here, you'll notice there are Classlink tutorials. There is an instructor academy, so you can get on-demand training videos, but we will be doing that for you here in the BPS EdTech department. So rest assured you're going to have plenty of support if you need it. But as you can see, I have all the several apps here. And for example, if I want to go into BrainPop, I just simply click on BrainPop and I'm going to be taken right into the application. So that is how it is going to work for you. Really seamless, so we can have more time on learning and less time logging in to applications. So it's that single sign-on platform that Clever offered, but with Classlink, we're going to have a whole lot more for you. So stay tuned for additional videos as we share out how you can leverage this new platform. But again, it's simply signing on with your Google account, and you're going to have access to this platform, your launchpad here in Classlink. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about logging in, if you have any difficulty, reach out to me or any member of the BPS EdTech team. But I hope this was helpful and a introduction for you to Classlink. Thank you so much for watching.